In this video we will compare the editing of cryptic post-processor files to alter G-code output with the fast and efficient G-code editing strategy of KipwareXC. Post-processors are a standard fact of all CAD/CAM programming. They use a cryptic language, and editing the post requires, at the least, some basic understanding of computer programming language. The fact that all CAD/CAM programs require a post for every different machine output, coupled with the fact that 98% of CAD/CAM users need to tweak some aspect of the G-code output, makes for a recipe of disaster. In this example, we wish to eliminate the G95 from the post-processor output. Using a powerful editor, which helps, we still need a basic understanding of computer programming language to edit the appropriate line of post-processor code without disrupting any of the other output. Difficult at least and dangerous at worst. In KipwareXC, we can define the removal of G95 very simply by telling the software to search out G95 and replace it with nothing. In essence, removing it from the program. KipwareXC gives the user the ability to define an unlimited number of such user-defined conversions that will all be done automatically at the time of conversion. Once this profile is created, it can be used on any G-code program. We do not need the CAD file or any post-processor since we are working directly with the G-code program. It is just as easy to convert the G95 to another code, like G00, rather than remove it from the program. The ability to go beyond just the post-processor issue and alter G-code files directly is a powerful option for shop floors. When reposting is required, the user is forced to start again at step number 1 in program prove out. Any previous edits that may have been made to the G-code program, like cutting speeds and feeds, are lost in the reposting process. Using KipwareXC to convert proven on the floor G-code is a smarter and more efficient option.